It's a Sunday, and we just got home from church. And this is Tina in the dress that Casey chose for her for this morning for Sunday school and church.
Erica,
Casey, I need to open one. I know.
do you need to open one, Tina?
It's a book. No. Yes.
Oh, excuse me.
I can tell.
Oh, I like that bow too. Yeah, save that. Maybe I can wrap that back up for Tim.
My mom.
What'd you get? What is it?
Toy Story.
Oh, you got the book. Better than the movie. You should see her stricken look on her face.